back, you can't get to it. Stacking up my money, call it Lego. Living color bills like
y'all like, comment, subscribe to this video. I don't know if it's gonna be a video, but this is something that the people left. Set the wash machine. I got a new wash machine set, so but everything got default left, so I've been trying to take down the shed so we can bring the other one over here. I was going to move it out the way. As y'all can see, I did take down this side and some of the back side. The shed I want is over there, but I'm about to get all this stuff they left in there. Yep. I don't know who's gonna clean it up, but I'm gonna burn it. But I'm gonna keep this tin though, cause I'm gonna do something with it. I've been taking it down, stacking it. I'm gonna do something with this tin though. So hopefully I can get finished taking this video down today. I mean this, not the video, crazy, but taking this shed down, you feel me? And yeah, we gonna keep that one. Y'all ain't seen the inside of this one yet, but we did that. That gotta go. But we did got doing whoop right there. Got that engine on that stand right there. I had to get ready and do her things, you feel what I'm saying? So we did straighten this out. My little workstation, our little workstation. Let's get it. But I'm about to start on this side right here though. So it already caved in. When I took the other side down, all they got doing hay and stuff on there. Pine strong, whatever you want to call it. So I'm about to, got my goddamn do-it-yourself drill. That's a goddamn star bit knocked on with a 7mm socket with a filler. You feel what I'm saying? Stop playing with the boy. Make something work. You do it yourself. I don't need you to come all the way out. We already know you lose. Ooh. That nigga just came out of nowhere. Boy, I'm about to bust you in your head, my boy. But you just gonna come out of nowhere. Bet. That little nigga freak me out. I ain't gonna even care with you. Okay, he knows somebody working. Just look goddamn self out there. But I don't wanna touch you. You feel me? Stop playing. Let's get it. Okay, I'm tired of here. I just drug that whole roof off the top of this. Now y'all can see what I'm talking about. Got to clear all this up. They left all this, except the washer. That was mine. Got a new set. I'm tired of here. I ain't gonna even cap with you. No kizzy. I just folded them mugs over, but I just drug all that. That one I'm so tired of just drug it on the other side of that. You feel what I'm saying? Slow, a little weak. You feel what I'm saying? Water bug nation right there. I ain't no cap with you. But this dirt right here, like, and then I seen this freaking salamander, whatever they call that crap right there. I don't know if y'all see that. I seen that crap. Got sweat dripping on the phone, people. But yeah, we about to get this stuff up. I'm burning all them books and stuff. We gonna get this cleaned up. I don't know. We might gonna take the platform up too. But I just had an idea. See the other shit on this platform. You still had it left. You feel what I'm saying? But we don't know. Y'all stay tuned. You did! Told we was gonna burn that sucker though, for real. All that paper and all that crap, bro. Told we was gonna burn all that. Might as well. He want to throw stuff in the fire. He ready. You ready? Throw it in there. In now. Miss that. Wife out here working. But yeah, I'm about to throw this on there in a minute. Just trying to wait till it catch up real quick. No kizzy. Got the chilling over there, get it. Y'all say what's up? Yes, sir. Mocha. Stop playing. So yeah, we trying to get it. Separate metal from bull crap. Let's get it. You did. That's up there. Smoking through the chimney. I'm gonna show y'all that deck when we get done with it. Let me see that. Okay, y'all. Y'all see what we did to it. We parked the equipment on it. You feel me? Still got to move that other piece of the shed, man. Hey, it's a family thing. You did. It's a family affair. You so one shed, no shed. You did. So y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on this thing, man. Help me get into the algorithm. You feel what I'm saying? Share the video, tell a friend. You know what I'm saying? Let it do what it do. You feel me? Let's get it.